with another J-Tech video. Over here, showing you the process of a valve adjustment. Now, the engine that we're using is called the Cat C7. First off, safety. And, well, I laid out all my tools. We need a torque wrench with the 5/8 socket. Usually we would use a crow's foot, and I'll show you why in a minute. In this video we took out two injectors because it was building up pressure, and we just wanted to relieve that. We got a feeler gauge here, we got a 5/8 wrench here, we got Allen's, but in this case we're going to use a T Allen wrench, and then we got this pry bar. Now, I didn't show you this, but we also took out the valve cover. This is it right here. And, well, first things first, we're going to use this pry bar, but we're going to be rotating this right here. This rotates the crank, and come on, come here, I'll show you something. As we're rotating this, we're going to have to pin it. So now we pin it, and we make sure that it's pinned right. And when you pin it, that means that this is number what? 1. No, this is 1. And 1 is on top dead center. So when we're doing this, it's just like, for example, let's say we get it brand new out of the box and everything is not put right like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to tighten it down. We're going to tighten this down and make sure that the exhaust side is 30 thousandths of an inch, millimeters. I don't know if you can see it there. And the intake is going to be 15. So I'm going to put this in here and tighten it down. Making sure it's not too loose, but it's not too tight where we can't move it. We're just going to have it just right. There we go. And then we're going to use it 15 for this one. Once again, it's not going to be too tight, nor is it going to be too loose. We'll still have room to play with. And we're going to use this 5/8 wrench, holding the push rod screw down. Tighten down the jam nut just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, the way we're going to do this is the proper way to do this. The specs for this engine also is going to be exhaust intake, exhaust intake, exhaust intake. We're going to leave this side alone. Then we're going to bar it over again, rotate it up 360 degrees, start from the back, from the back to the front. Both of these, then exhaust intake, exhaust intake. Now, here's the part where we're going to need the crow's foot, but because we don't have the proper adapter, we're not going to be using it in this video. But we're going to torque it. Proper spec says 22 foot-pounds, give or take 5, plus or minus 5. And you would put the Allen key on this push rod screw while torquing it. We'll pull this back some. There you go. Let it click. Same thing here. There you go. Heard it click. Going over everything that I've done, hoping that I didn't miss anything. Making sure everything is right and the correct specs. Checking the feeler gauge once again. 30. Boom. Perfect. 15. Right there. Perfect. Trying to see if I'm forgetting anything. Nope, I believe I got everything covered. Once again, my name is Andrew Perez. This is my J-Tech video for valve adjustments. Have a good day.